Ya, oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I want to do the third English project before the final project, that is my study plan for my future self. Okay, so in this project I will tell you about my study plan from the SME until my graduation. So, and I will tell you my challenge and my solution for my study plan. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kaskar Sadria, and you can call me Kaskar. Now I'm in 9th grade, especially in 9th class, and right now I'm in IDN Boarding School, Jombang. Okay, so today I will show my study plan. So yeah, so about me, so I really love learning, especially about IT, because since I was young, my parents gave me a tablet and I love to play game. And when my parents give me my first phone, in that time I love to searching about anything, and it's make me have more knowledge about IT since I was young. Yeah, so this is the 3 points. So I'm so curious about the latest technologies, and I love learning new things. And I have a very big dream, and I will work hard for achieving the dream. Yeah, so why I love IT? Because it's very powerful things, especially right now. IT is grow very fast with the AI things. Yeah, so that's why since I was young, I think information and technology is the best subject. Okay, so next. So my goals. So in the short term, I want to study IT. I want to more focus on the study in IDN. I will focus the IT, and I will create the best project that I could. Yeah, but in the long term, I want to become a DevOps, and I want to create my own business. Yeah. So why I want to create a business? Because business is better than working for someone, but building a business is not that easy. It's you need to fail and try, fail and try. Yeah, but business is one of the best way, because I'm still young right now, so uh, I have more opportunities to try and fail from the trial and error to create my own business. Okay. Next, so this is my study path. Yeah, so after junior high school, I want to go to SMK IDN Boarding School Sentul. Why I chose Sentul? Because in SMP I have go to Malay and Egypt, and it's very opening my eye and give me more point of view that the world is wide, and so you can uh, and you will get a new experience and new things to learn in every country, because yeah, they have a different culture, and Sentul right now is the only one that have a backpacking program. Actually, I want to Jonggol because Jonggol there is not the backpacking program again, so I moved to Sentul. Yeah, so in Sentul, while I'm backpacker, I will take TKG major. Because why? Because I want to explore new things, because for me RPL is very common, it's only about coding and certification, and I want to try TKG because I haven't explored TKG yet, so I want to explore TKG in SMK. And in university, so while I'm backpacker, I creating a new connection and try to work, uh, try to work at creating So in SMK, I will start to trial and error to run my own business, and um, I will, in the 12th grade, there is magang, as you know, it's like working, but I want to work remotely if I can, so I will try. In SMK, I will work, but remote. After that, after SMK, and while I'm studying in university, I will. This is the serious step to creating my own business, and I will. If university, I want to go to abroad, not in Indonesia. Why? Because I like a new experience. Yeah. I like a new environment, and for the university, I will choose in the Southeast Asia, still in Southeast Asia, that is Malaya. And in Malaya, I want to take the major of computer engineering, yeah, to again to explore new things. And so in university, while I'm studying, I will grow my business and try to build it. If I still cannot build it in SMK, so I will try again in university until I will make my own business. Okay, so the next, so how I study best. So I learn best. So the best, I will have more energy if I learn with my friends and by directly practice. Yeah. So I like learning while practice. So it's like you can implement what you learn. So not just a theory. So that's why I love in IDN, because we learn and practice. And the third is, of course, when the subject and the topic is interesting. Yeah, so I love Indonesian because there is a very interesting topic, that is IT and English. And if with friends, yeah, so you will get more to know, like you can help each other when some facing a problem. And studying with friends is also keep me motivated instead of studying alone. Yeah, so this is my challenges. Yeah, so this is my challenges right now. That is distraction. The distraction is games and social media, of course, and boredom. Okay, so and I have to focus sometimes. Yeah, so sometimes when learning, I always get distracted, especially when like IT, when I try to create a application, I keep scrolling social media and others. And sometimes when the topic is very bored, so I cannot focus on the topic. And games is also distracting because the progression of the game that you must keep to ongoing. That is my challenges right now. Okay, so my challenge and my solution for my challenge is my motivation. So I always tell to myself that you have a very great family, and this is for your future self, and this is for your dream career. Yeah, so that's why I always stay to keep motivated, because I have a family and I want good for my future self, and I want to create my dream career. Okay, so next, yeah, so this is all my study plan. From my goals, in the short term, I want to learn more about IT and English, and in the long term, I want to become a DevOps and run my own business. And this is my study path, SMK in Sentul. While SMK, I will try to create a good network and trial and error to build my own business until until graduation in university. Okay, so yeah. So the conclusion is my principle. My principle is to you need to grow even it's a little, because little growth can be a big things when you always consistent. So for me, the consistent is the key. So if you cannot do something, you will learn. Like example, if you cannot play football, you always play football every day. It will improve your skill if you're doing it right. Yeah, so this is the conclusion of my study plan. Yeah, because I always trial and error. So I will know more. I will have the solution in every error. So that's why I'm very interested in making a business, because every time I fail, at that time I know what to do next. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.